So let me tell you why lawn care is the best second job you can ever have. Stay tuned. What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are still cutting on. All right, first, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you can be notified the next time I'm putting up this content. Now, a lot of times, man, I have people viewing my page, but they are not subscribing. Hey, help your boy out. You know, I do it for the love, but at the same time, I wouldn't mind getting some more subscribers to get that subscribe list up. Also, if you have anything to say, please leave it in the comment section. I know a lot of times people have questions for me, or they might want me to do a video. Hey, I don't know unless you ask me, so put it in the comment section. So let me get straight to the point right now. So why should you do lawn care as a second job? Here's some benefits, fam. Number one, a second job requires you to have flexible time. Like your first job, you know, it tells you this is what your job's gonna be. This is your hours, this is your days. Lawn care, you can choose the time, you can choose the days. It can be a little flexible to work well with your other current job. So this is why lawn care is a really good second job to have. And believe me, it is gonna be a second job because you're the worker. Another thing so great about lawn care being a second job, hey, even though it's a job, it also can go as a business, which means that you can write off so much stuff in lawn care that you cannot write off on your first job because it is not your business. Somehow, when you're self-employed, working part-time for yourself, you can write off gas, you can write off the equipment, small engine. Man, you can write off so much, even your lunches, man. If you're smart about it, you can write that stuff off too, which helps you make more money even on your first job. Write that stuff off. Another thing so great, man, you can get paid in cash. Not too many places that you can get a second job that you can get paid on the same day, and ain't nothing like getting paid on the same day, especially if you're gonna have a second job. Sometimes you need a little extra cash right now. So that's another thing that's so great about having a second job into lawn care. Another thing so great about having a second job in lawn care, sometimes, man, you can be so good at it, it can become a full-time hustle for you, which I always believe in something that is called lineage. Lineage means an inheritance, especially if you got kids, especially if you got family members who are always asking to borrow money from you. You can say, hey, I got something you can do. You can come and help me cut all this grass because I can't cut this grass by myself. So, man, I'm telling you, fam, lawn care is where it's at. Another thing that's so beneficial about lawn care, hey man, you can get in shape. If you don't want to go to the gym, take your tail outside and cut somebody's grass. You will lose some weight. You will shred them pounds, and that's good for the heart, you know, because be honest with you, man, we all probably can lose a couple of pounds, and lawn care can help you do it while you make a little cheddar. So hopefully this video will encourage you to get out there, man, and go ahead and get that second job. Get started right now because you want to go ahead and get yourself acclimated on some things that you need to learn. Please check out my channel. I got a lot of information, man. A lot of times people ask me questions, and I got a video already that I talk about this. But if I didn't say something that you want to know, I don't have a video out that I didn't talk about some of your ideas that you want me to have discussed, please, by all means, put it in the comment section. I'll look out for you, fam. Hopefully, the people up north, y'all get a little snow so you can make a little money. And the ones down south, I'm really a hater of you right now because you're still cutting on. Johnny, I saw the grass in the video. Man, you still got grass to cut down there. Man, but here, man, we're trying to get some leaves, but we don't even really have a big leaf season here in Atlanta because most of it's pine trees. So, but we're going to make it work. We're going to make it do what it do. Cut on, fam. Cut on, lawn care fam. Cut on, I'm cutting out. Peace.